Welcome back, traders. Before we break down what Pippin Coin is doing, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever watched a chart that refuses to give you the entry you want, keeps moving without you, and forces you to sit patiently like a sniper waiting for the perfect moment? Well, that is exactly what Pippin is doing right now. And today we are going to break down the psychology behind this move. We are back on PPM for the second time, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure you check the link in the description. In that breakdown, I mentioned something very important. We had a key level around 0.078789. That level used to act as resistance, but once price broke above it, the structure flipped, and that same level turned into a major support zone. I said clearly that if price comes back to that support level and respects it, we would look for a buy to the upside. But if price fails to respect it and instead breaks through, then we wait for the retest and look for sells to the downside. Now here is where the psychology becomes interesting. Price did not come back for the retest. It did not tap the support level. Instead, the market continued pushing away from that zone, leaving no clean entry behind. And that is exactly what traps many traders. They start chasing the move because they feel like the market is leaving without them. But professional traders understand something most beginners don't. If the market doesn't return to your level, you don't force a trade, you wait. Patience is part of the strategy. So right now, here is what I am watching for on Pippin Coin. Since price never returned to the support level around 0.078789, I am not taking any sell setup. I am not trying to guess any position. I am simply waiting for price to come back to the level that the market itself has already respected in the past. If price returns to this support level and gives us a strong bullish candlestick, that is the confirmation we need to look for buys to the upside. That would show that buyers are still defending this level and controlling the order flow. But if price comes back to the same support level and fails to respect it, if it breaks it with strength, that is a completely different scenario. In that case, psychology shifts. Buyers lose control, sellers step in, liquidity is grabbed, and we wait for the retest to look for a sell from there to the downside. So to summarize everything, Pippin Coin has a critical support level at 0.078789 that used to act as resistance. Price never returned to tap that level, so we avoid chasing the move. We wait patiently. If price comes back and respects it with a bullish confirmation, we buy. If price breaks it, we wait for the retest and prepare for a sell. All right, traders, now let me hear from you. Do you think Pippin will come back to that support level before making its next big move? Buyers or sellers? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until then, trade safe, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.